Who doesn't love wine? Cold wine sometimes. We made this wine slushy and I think it's going to be amazing. Here's all you need. You're going to need a bottle of wine. You're also going to need the slushy mix, which is available on our website. A 1 gallon vessel of some sort. Also, something to stir with. Let's get started. All right, here we go. By the way, that smells amazing. Okay, and then all we need to do is we need to empty this. Okay, the last step is I'm going to refill our bottle with water. Now, I'm going to give it a good stir, make sure everything's dissolved, and then I have two choices. If I had a really cool slushy machine, I'd put it in there. I don't. So I'm going to put this in my freezer and let it freeze, and we'll be back to test it together. Here we go. You can make this with your own wine. You can make this with commercial wine. Oh, wish you could smell it. There we go. But I think I need to do one little taste test. Oh, amazing. Fabulous.